Dear students, see the formula C4H10. Now see that your formula containing only carbon and hydrogen, which shows that it belongs to hydrocarbon. But see, for hydrocarbon family we have three different family. One is alkane, alkene and alkyne. For alkane, its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, CnH2n, and for alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. Now let's see, we'll identify whether C4H10, it belongs to which family, alkane, alkene or alkyne. So here N is equal to 4. So first we'll put this value in alkane. So your calculation is C4H 2 into 4 plus 2, it means it's C4H10. So now it's confirmed that C4H10, which is an example of hydrocarbon, it belongs to alkane family. An alkane family means what? That it containing carbon-carbon single bond. That all four carbon atoms, they form bond with each other. एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के खड़े हैं. या तो फिर second possibility is what? कि तीन कार्बन ने एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ा है और चौथा कहीं पे लटका है. It means that it is in the form of branch. That valency of carbon is, which is 4. Now first structure, that carbon, it form only one bond, and that's why remaining 3 valency satisfied by hydrogen. Same thing for your second carbon, it forms 2 bonds, so that's why remaining 2 valency satisfied by hydrogen. Same thing for third carbon, so it's CH2, and last fourth carbon, it form only one bond, and that's why remaining 3 valency satisfied by hydrogen. Now in the same way, that is second one. First carbon containing one bond, that's why remaining 3 valency satisfied by hydrogen. Middle carbon, so it formed 3 bond with the other 3 carbons, so that's why only one valency is left, which is satisfied by hydrogen. Next, that your other carbon, it's 3 valency satisfied by hydrogen, and in the same way last carbon, which is your branched carbon, it containing only one bond, and that's why remaining 3 valency satisfied by hydrogen. Now if we know the name, then first structure, it containing all 4 carbon atoms in straight chain, and that's why it is known as, it's N. 4 carbon means but and containing single bond, so it's in. So the name is N-butane. And in your second example, that your all 4 carbon atoms, they are present in the form of iso. 4 carbon means but and containing single bond means in. So its name is isobutane. Now let's count the number of carbon and hydrogen. First, count the number of carbon atoms in both the formula. So if you will observe that both the formula, they containing 4 carbon atoms. And in the same way, count the number of hydrogen atom in both the formula, then total number of hydrogen atoms are 10. So now this concludes what? That both these structures, they shows same molecular formula, they containing same number of carbon and hydrogen, same molecular formula, which is C4H10, but their structural formula is different. It means there is a differ in their chain length, because that your first structure, it containing 4 carbon atoms in the straight chain, while your second example containing 3 carbon atoms in their straight chain. And that's why it is known as chain isomerism. So here that your point. First is definition. two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different carbon skeleton or different parent chain. While your second one is what? Key, they shows different parent chain. It means your first example, it shows 4 carbon atoms in straight chain, while your second example, it containing 3 carbon atoms in straight chain. Thank you.